What up, though? Thank you guys for coming in, and I'm about to show you what I do and how I get this thing popping on the Arena app. So right now I'm on the page, right? And I'm gonna show you how I get my followers and my impressions up and how you want to get trending. You know what I'm saying? So right now it's me on the page, and I'm just going through the page, right? So you're gonna click on the go to the explore page. And we're gonna find somebody to follow. So I'm gonna click on somebody's page, right? No, first I'm gonna show you where I'm at with it. Check this out. Look at my name. Poppin' 108. Poppin'. That's how many impressions I got. I'm gonna show y'all how I did that. Just get jinking. You wanna know how you do that, right? It's simple. So you're gonna go follow somebody. You're gonna go to somebody's page. You know what I'm saying? Hit that follow button. Then you go to their followers. Now watch what I do. I'm on the desktop doing this, right? So I hit copy. I'm finna copy them, and I'm gonna use ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is my best friend. You know what I'm saying? ChatGPT needs to be your best friend too, right? So I go here. So everybody that I do this with too, I make sure I hit that follow button. I hit them up with that follow. So now I'm gonna go on ChatGPT. It's my page right here. You know what I'm saying? And then I hit paste. I say, give me a dope shout out. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing right now. Like, yo, give me a dope shout out for this and make sure it's lit. You know what I'm saying? So I post it in there, and this is what it do. ChatGPT could be your best friend, man, or it could be your worst friend if you don't know how to use it. You know what I'm saying? And I know how to use it. So if you look at my page, like, I got assistants. You know what I'm saying? I got assistants. I got like personal web virtual assistants that I use on ChatGPT, and that's what they do. So check this out. So now look, it just gave me the dope shout out. So what you gonna do with that? You gonna copy this, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna go back to the other page, hit copy. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes I like switching it up because I might not like the way how it sounded, so I might switch it up. You know what I'm saying? So I go on here and check this out. I'm going on the Arena app. Remember, I just took this off of ChatGPT and I hit post. Bam, on there, and look at this shit. Straight, real dope engagement, real interacting. It locked me out. I just got locked out. Damn, I got locked out. Back in. Now mind this, y'all. This is me working live in action, but I'm over recording this with my mic in the background because that's just how I'm doing it this time. Y'all gonna love it. So check this out. So now we back at it. Now I'm on somebody else's page. It's simple. Now mine is while you doing this, you gotta hit that follow button though. Follow, like, and subscribe on my YouTube page. Make sure y'all doing that right now, because I'm giving you so much game. This free game too. See what I'm doing? Look what I'm doing. You gotta make sure you follow the people. Now you might not even know these people that you're following, but on the Arena it's new right now, so you get your follows up like this. This is an old school way on how you do it, but it still works. A lot of people don't know nothing about this game. Well, I'm lacing you up. You want to get laced up? Stay over here on this side. Tech Hustlers Playground. This is what we doing. We lacing you. Now look. Now pay attention now. I hope you're paying attention. Just don't listen to me talk. Look at what I'm doing. So now I'm back on the page. I just copied all the people. Boom. Hit that right click. Now I'm finna go on ChatGPT. Remember, ChatGPT is your best friend, y'all. ChatGPT is your best friend. Use ChatGPT. So check this out. So now I just dropped the same people that I just followed, and I just took it and I put it on ChatGPT. Boom, drop it in there and watch what it do. This is crazy. You gotta use this shit, man. If you're not gonna use it, you're gonna lose it. I'm trying to lace you up with how this shit go. Listen, man. And it's really simple. You get your engagements up this way, because if you want to get your engagements up, follow this recipe. It ain't too much to it, like what I'm trying to tell you guys, dog. You listen to all them other people, they don't know what the fuck they talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Watch what I'm doing. Copy and paste me and watch how far you get in this game. You're going to be laced up. You heard? Now watch this. So check this out. Continue. Yeah, I just had to take a swig of that motherfucking yak. You hear me? Come over here and drink some of that good shit. For those who are still here and you paying attention, it's a lot of game that I'm giving you. So check this out. So now, I just did it again so I can show y'all what's really going on and what's happening. So now you're going to copy that. Copy this link right here, what I'm just doing. And then you're going to go on your page. You're going to copy this. And you might say, you know what, I don't like the way this sound, man. Rewrite this, man, and because you sound like a robot, and I don't like that. Do it again in another format because I just don't like the first time the way how you did it. And that's a dope way how to do it. I just gave you another jewel. Take note, clip that, write it down, take a picture. I don't get a buck. Or you need to remember that, what I just told you. I'm dropping you some real game. Now pay attention. I said you need to sound more engaging and you need to make it more dope. And that's what he's going to do. If you don't like what that ChatGPT is saying, you can tell him to do it over. And then do it over again. And then do it over again. He ain't going to get mad. You can have manners. You can tell him to do it over, please. But he's not going to get mad. So check this out. Boom. Yo, big energy to the squad today. Shout out for these legends flexing out here in the arena. Now look at all those people I just did that. You know the drill. Hit that follow button. Show some love. And let's run it up together. Keep hustling and keep vibing. Yo, that's crazy. Listen, man. Who gonna come up with some shit like that? Me. That's who did it. I'm trying to show you how to do it. Now check this out. What you gonna do? You're gonna go right back to the page. Go right back to the page. Now reset. They're gonna log you out. They always gonna log you out. Don't worry about it. You just gotta log back in. Unlog back in. Now check this out. Now I'm gonna go over here. I'm looking at my notifications to see if anybody hit me up yet. Ain't nobody hit me up yet, but you know what I'm saying? I might get some. We're going to come back to that. I'm telling you in a couple of more minutes, we're going to get another one. As we sitting here live on this chat and we doing this, we're going to get another notification. So what I do, I come over here, I paste it in the thing, drop it in the thing, let the people see what's going on in the thing. The thing is the timeline. If y'all don't understand the thing talk, everything's that thing right now. We're looking at notifications, look at that thing. Damn, we're going down. I'm booming. This is what you call booming. This is why you need to be watching me and paying attention to what I'm talking about because this is booming. Booming means this. Booming means your notifications are popping, you're on fleek, and you're lit. That's what it means. So if you don't want to know, get the hell out of here. If you want to know, stay here and keep watching. I'm going to drop a couple more jewels. Now look at this. I am lit. You want to know how to get your impressions up, follow what I just did 2 minutes ago. And you're going to do that. And your shit going to be lit. People gonna be hitting you up. They're like, damn, man, how did you get popping like that? Because I was listening to Tech. Tech taught me this. This is what Tech taught me. Listen. You need to listen. Get you some game. And vibe on with me. So check this out. So now we're going to go back to the page. And look what's going on. You see? We just looking. We're going to find somebody else. We're going to try to do it one more time. I'm going to show you one more time how I do it. And just... You know what I'm saying? Just for good measures, for people who not really paying attention. So like again, you're going to go follow the people. Go down the line, hit that follow button, follow. Follow. And then what I do, I go back up to the top. I go down and you can only do this on the desktop too. Only on the desktop. You can't do this on your phone. If you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. Got to figure it out. So I'm on the desktop with this. So boom, hit that right click, come back over here in ChatGPT. Remember, I got my agent. My agent does all my work for me. I ain't got to do the work. It's my agent doing the work. I got an agent. I don't know about y'all, but I do. You know what I'm saying? Get you some game. You're going to learn how this thing go. And that's how I go. Get you an agent. Your agent going to do all the work. So boom, I hit that. I'm about to hit that send button. Set them off right quick. Now watch the game. Watch how this go. He gonna make it one more time. Remember, so what you doing? Basically, let me tell you what you're doing. So you're using ChatGPT to create you posts of followers that you gathered from the arena. And the reason why you're doing that is gonna get you engagements. You give them shout outs. When you give them shout outs, they're gonna notice that. They're gonna get a notification that this person said their name. And they're gonna look at your page and they're gonna see, damn, this person said this dope post about me. Who is this person? Let me go check them out. And that's basically how you do it. Now, mind this. Look at the chances of the people that's gonna retweet this. You put over 20 people in this tweet. Somebody gonna respond to that. Oh, there we go. We got a notification. Notification gang in the building while we live. I just told y'all we gonna get a notification while we live. While I'm live doing this right now, I just got a notification. No bullshit. While we doing it right now, look, right there. No bullshit, right here. Bring that ass here, right here. Look, we gonna just drop one more time, cause you know I love the way how this shit go. I just like doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? That just be addictive. Now watch this. Boom, drop them in the thing. You see me over there smoking that, but I ain't even smoking right now, cause I'm me talking right now. I'm in the background talking this shit. But that's basically how you do it. So I really appreciate y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like button, share this to your friends. And this is how you get on in the arena and you want to learn how to get your likes and impressions up on the low. This is how you do it. Big boy style. Tech Hustlers Playground. Get at me.